Hey there, it's Maggie with the Anna Beauty Log, and today I want to talk about my January favorites. These are the products that I could not put down in the whole month of January, so let's get into it. I'm going to start off with some skincare. My favorite mask was this Ulla Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. So it's in this like green color. And when you put it on, it is like cold, so that's a different sensation. It's not really something that you I don't know, it's kind of odd to be honest, but it works really good in the sense that whenever it's winter, you take warm showers, so the warm with the cold mask, it works. But what I like about this is that I still have oily skin, I still have large pores, and I still have to get rid of the buildup and the sebum that builds in those large pores. So this product was so great, and I do recommend it. Another product that I was really using a lot of is a hydrating mask. So I found that when I would use that, my skin was a little bit tight, which is fine, but then I wanted to like bring back moisture into the skin. So I have been using this e.l.f. Hydrating Bubble Mask to do that. And this bubble mask is so weird. When you put it on, you press this up and then a small amount comes on and you put that all over the face. And then it literally bubbles up. So it feels weird. There's a texture going on there. It does have like a sensation, but it leaves your skin so hydrated after that, so feeling good that I wanted to use this all the time, but I do have to be careful with it because like I said, I do have oily skin. So I kind of would use those two almost back to back. One to really get in there and clean out all my pores, and then the second one to like restore the hydration. On other days where I just wanted to wear a mask and just like for fun, or like a mask for my spa Sunday that really wasn't meant to like do very much for my skin, and that's like probably the worst description, but it's just one of those masks that you think that it's like fun to wear, if that makes sense. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, that's this one here. It's the Sephora Acai smoothing mask. Yeah, so it's supposed to help. It's got acai, and it's just a mask that like reminds me that January is all about berries. So I bought this mask and it just helps me to like get into the season in my skincare. Other than that, everything else stayed the same. One thing I did want to really rave about is this Grande Lash MD Skin Enhancing Serum. I got this at Ulta, and it's just a lash serum that you like put on your lashes every night. And I have noticed stronger lashes with this. I think I've been raving about this in all of my mascara review videos because I have noticed like longer lashes because of it. They may not be like thicker yet, I feel like, but they are like longer, so I do like that, and it is something that I've been using consistently. So I think that's one of those products that the more you use it, the better. Another product that I was turned to, or was given, I think it was in one of the boxes, one of the mini boxes that I get, I think one of my glossy boxes. It is this Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. So it is by the brand Vitabrid C12. I had never used a cleansing balm before because, I mean, other than the Pond's cold cream, which if you've ever used that one, when you put that one on, you almost have to use a towelette to wash that off or to remove that because it leaves a bit of a film. So I didn't use that very often, but this one here, you like it literally just melts onto your hand. So they give you a little spatula so that you don't contaminate the whole bottle, but so you just get like a small bit of it at a time, and it just melts right into your hand, and then you just like massage your makeup off, and like smoothly massage your eye makeup off too. I do not tug on anything, no eyelashes, no eyes. I'm just like massaging. And the more makeup or, eye makeup that I have, I just keep massaging. When it's all massaged and I open my eyes, I look crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of a raccoon going on, but I just wash my face, or I rinse that off and then wash my face. And it has made makeup removal so much easier. I used to use micellar water with the cotton ball and like go to town, and I don't do that anymore because of this, but because after a while I was like, oh man, I'm probably creating all kind of wrinkles doing that. So this has been like a game changer for me. And I honestly thought that because I had oily skin, I couldn't use those, but I was wrong. Okay, so moving on to just random things. I bought this hyaluronic acid body cream last year, and then it kind of just stayed in my drawer, but I brought it back again because in the winter you just need moisture. Your body needs it. And yeah, this is a really good one. It has all the good ingredients. I'm almost done with it. So this was one of the body lifesavers that I needed, that I didn't know I needed. All right, and lastly for the skin, two random things. One, chapstick. Yeah, winter is here and you need chapstick. Any other type of lip balm is not going to work. Like these Pacifica vegan lip balm and this Burt's Bees. I mean, the Burt's Bees works a little bit, but yeah, really nothing comes close to the Blistex. It's just one of those things that is like, just you have to pull it out when it gets really wintry and really like for us, we get a lot of wind, so that icy wind, you just need something that's going to work. And this has SPF 15, so it has like a little bit like of a minty smell to it. So I just pull out that chapstick. And then the last thing is hand cream. Again, the moisture just gets sucked right out of you, so you have to pull it back in. And this one by Bath and Body Works, it's the paraffin hand, nail, and cuticle. The paraffin in it is what does the trick. That's what you have to, in times like this winter, you have to call in all of the like moisture big shots like paraffin and hyaluronic acid and I don't know, all these things that are like, yes, moisture building. This one is got avocado oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and paraffin in it. So let me see here. Yes, all the good things to really give those nails and that skin and those cuticles, just moisturize it all right up. Especially nowadays that we've been doing a lot of like hand sanitizer and washing hands and all that stuff. You need something to really combat it. I know a lot of people have been asking me about that stuff because it's just the time that we're in. So if you're going to use hand sanitizer, you need a hand cream, and this is such a good one, and it's nice and little and portable. All right, so that is it for the random skincare. I'm going to move on to foundation. A new one that I discovered this month that I believe is new. I actually got this from a friend of mine, is the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. This it says it has hyaluronic acid and squalene. It is sheer to medium and oil-free, and also I think it's, yes, vegan and cruelty-free, which is what I always look for. So I got the color light because I do get a little bit lighter, and I think it's like the perfect color for me. It leaves your skin so nice and moisturized, so like comfortable, but it has a really good tint to it, so it really does cover up a lot. So this is a really good product. It's super inexpensive, less than $5, and you can find it at Walmart, so it's very accessible. I definitely recommend everyone to give this one a try. It is by Wet n Wild. I know I've talked a lot about my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and while I love this, and I really do, I'm wearing it today, I have discovered a new favorite. and it came in a little gift size, and I'm just so beside myself. It is the Bite Upswing. So I have a small size here. I'm gonna get the full product when I run out of this one, so I have to wait because I am in a no spin this month. But oh my gosh. So first of all, I love that this little trial size gives you like what I believe is like a full size brush, because it's like nice and like big and shaped like I would assume the main brush is, because otherwise why would they shape a trial size? But anyways, it does the best thing. Like, it's kind of like this, where it has volume and like lightweight and like drama, but like times 10. So when I really want to amp it up, I reach for this one, but for every day I go here. So I feel like I have so many things to share with you, but I'm trying to limit it. Yeah. And then I chatted about this in my last 2 videos, so I'm not going to stay on here very long. But the Bite lipsticks, I have quite a few other ones. The formula is just something else. It's what I'm wearing now. It's what I've been wearing the last few times. I have a goal, one like a challenge, I would say. It's not really a goal. It's a challenge that I challenged myself for this whole year, is to wear a lipstick that is outside of my comfort zone, like for the whole month. So I am a peachy pink girl all the way. Like, I love peaches, corals, pinks. Like, I stay in that family and they're my favorite. I have tons of those colors. I realized that I was staying in that realm, like in that color family, for a very long time. So I have to spice it up. So what I told myself is that every month I'm going to use one color, or use one shade of lipstick for the whole month, so that I can get out of my comfort zone. So last month of January, it was cranberry or berry lips. And so I created my own, because as I mentioned in that video, I was trying the Rebel by MAC, and it has like a purple undertone to it. So it was going a little bit too purple for me, if you can see the difference. And I just needed something that was like not maroon and not purple, but like somewhere right in the middle. And that's why I created my favorite. This shade here is just perfect for me. So for this last month of January, as I said, it was berry and berry colors. And this month of February, I'm out of my comfort zone again. It's chocolate browns. I don't think that I've ever worn a brown lipstick. I have 2, I think, and I'm gonna go make another one at the Bite Beauty Lip Lab, just that it goes with my skin tone. But I'm a little nervous at it, but hey, it's getting out of my comfort zone. So you're gonna see a video on the brown lipstick coming up. Stay tuned. Every month I'm going to go out of my comfort zone and pick a lipstick in that realm. So yes, anyways, okay, moving on. That's it for the makeup. Everything else, I'm trying still, and I don't know if I'm like, oh, amazing. The color that I used all month long in January was this one by Wet n Wild. It is called Cinderella, like a sin. Hopefully you can see that. And then so yeah, I really like this. Is like the perfect January blue. It matches my sweatshirt, and it has the tiniest little like flecks of glitter. You probably can't tell, but it's a really pretty color. When I saw it at Walmart, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know if it's gonna be good, but I have to have that polish. If you're wondering, every month I am going to paint my nail this color because it is my color of the year. It is Big Boat Energy by OPI. It is this color here, and it is just my reminder to have that big boat energy. Every month I am going to paint a different nail with this pink color, just as a reminder to just like be all I am, and like it's just such a powerful color for me for this year. So anyways, that's the color here. It's by OPI. It's called Big Boat Energy. Oh my gosh, no one told me about this. And if you've been using this for a while, Wow, wow, wow. Tell all your girlfriends, buy them one, because I've never used this before and it's such a difference. So it is a glass nail file, and it is literally that. It's made out of a glass, and oh my gosh, I have this little kit that I got from Amazon. It has 4 different types. So two of these nail files where you like literally file your nails, one smaller one and one bigger one there. And then it has 2 of the buffer types. Let me grab those. So these are to buff the tops of your nails, and they have 2 different buffing strengths. So like a stronger buff and a softer buff, but it's for like buffing the base of your nail. And oh my gosh, such a difference. And I've never used those before. And I'm just super excited that I found these. And yeah, it's on Amazon. Just look for glass nail file. You'll be amazed. Okay, that is it, I think, for now, for the favorites of the month. I have tons more that I want to share with you and tons more that I'm just using in January, but I will keep this short and sweet. And also I wanted to share with you my scent of the year. My husband bought me this. It is the Bonbon by Victor and Rolf. And it's like a big bow, and I love it. It's that whole big bow energy. Every time I put this on, it just fills me up. But anyways, it's so cute that it is a bow. Alrighty, and that is it. Those are all my beauty favorites for the month of January. Let me know if you have any favorites. Share your favorites with me. I love to see them. But yes, until next time, I will keep trying new things and keep sharing them with you. So I'll talk to you soon.